started record. Okay, and let's get started. First of all, thank you for everyone that you joined this meeting, and I'm sure that everyone who will join us offline and see this meeting will be happy. And we're gonna go through this plan. First of all, short summary why we are doing this, why we all together trying to change something. After that, we will share weekly results, and we discuss, talk about a little bit about challenges. And at the end of this session, we will talk about future plans. If you have any questions, you can put message to our chat, and if we will have time, we will discuss these questions. Feel free, interrupt me, and do it as free as possible and as informal as possible. Okay, and why we are doing this? I don't want to spend a lot of your time, but some numbers. Every year we have worldwide we have 18 million lethality rate of by people by heart disease, and countries, government, medicine structures, institutes, people, a lot of resources and money was spent on this topic, but every year we have this set number. And how we start this project, we try to find most major cause and of this lethality by heart disease, and it's a pretty simple: high blood pressure. You can talk with every doctor, with every health coach, and everybody know that if you have high blood pressure, you're in the risk of heart disease. And we try to reduce this high blood pressure, and believe it or not, everybody in the world know how to decrease it. 30 minutes walk every day, and you will be happy, exclude yourself from this big risk. If we will do this, and it's our goal, we will save at least 3 million people lives every year. But the problem is that people don't do this something for this, and they don't follow in guidance this 30 minutes activity. And there are a lot of different other aspects why the people don't do this. I believe that our products will try to help this situation, solve this situation, and we all together we can do this. And right now we smoothly start our weekly results, what we did during this week. And first, Lina added digits to our one of the product, and we name it like Heart Voices or IVR. Actually, this is a phone system of the phone call. I'm sure that Olga and Volodya and other participants had a chance to check this system. It's not pretty well right now, but we doing all it's possible that this will be better. And I remember that Rajana suggest to add digits to this system. Lina did it, and our incredible quality assurance engineers test everything, and right now we have this feature in this flow. And just for context, this is phone systems could be deployed and developed very easy in Twilio. There is some workflow idea. It's pretty simple. It's not rocket science. Probably it's not popular, but believe me, it's very easy. Next one, Lina started implement donation flow and all stuff related to this donation, because it's not simple from legal point of view, from financial point of view. There are a lot of services who provide. The idea is that our organization is non-profit and we don't have any funding, but we need some resources, accumulated financial resources to keep our financial balance sustainable. And we one of the idea to try to get this donation, and there are a lot of ways how we can do this. One of them a website. I mean, another way it's through the phone call, probably SMS in the future. Anyway, we start moving forward to this direction, and I believe that in 1 or 2 weeks we will have this option in all our products, or maybe some of them. And next thing which we implemented, this is related to our IVR system. We started implementation of the type of account. Probably you had you had a chance to call directly to Lina from phone call, and frankly speaking, Lina received a lot of enormous amount of calls, and we realized that we need right now separated accounts as a account in our system for the engineering testing purposes and the clients purposes. And in the future, probably we will have a functionality when the QA engineers will sync with each other to test that everything works well. And next thing, for sure, it's our quality assurance division, because every feature will not be on the production without checking all these flows. And thank you so much for everyone who joined to this. Right now we have a three QA team, each of them by 15 people who joined from different places over the world. Some of them joined not only as a QA engineer, some of them joined as developers, and some of them joined as mobile developers, as automation developers. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for your effort in from quality assurance point of view. It was really great, and we close at least 50% of all our bugs, but we will have a big backlog accordingly this. Anyway, I believe that in the future we will give more functionality for our products, and we will be covered by our QA engineers from this point of view. And the last thing, I believe that this is a great achievement. Probably Volodya will share a little bit more. And but anyway, we have our mobile application, and this is pretty simple. But anyway, in terms of importance and how it's necessary for the organization, we have a documentation for this mobile application. We have a understanding how we're going to implement it in Android, and we have thoughts about iOS implementation and all others. Anyway, it was very great, and I believe that this mobile application will be on one of the good our product, and for sure this will give a lot of work for our quality assurance engineers in the future. Okay, some words about challenges, what we're struggling during this week and what will be a bit difficult. As I mentioned, Lina received these calls from our engineers, from the clients, and it's a first challenge. And we realized that we need more hands for the in terms of operators calls, more hands for the software development, because we need more resources for the mobile development. We need more resources for the IVR implementation, because we have a lot of thoughts, we have a lot of deadlines, but we don't have a lot of capacity to do what we're going to do. And one more thing which we spent mostly me and Lina, we involved in personal communication with all participants, and we realized that all instruction which we provide in our Slack doesn't work, or maybe work not as we expected. And people prefer to send message directly and to ask some obvious questions directly. And sometimes people prefer to have a call. It's a very good and it's very fine, but if you multiply this in 100 times and put it in account of one person, for example, Lena, it's a bit difficult. And we realized that we need maybe to change this, maybe some instruction, or maybe we need to more involvement of the people who will be ready to help each other, you know, that not to focus on the one, focus on these operations and help only one person, but do it together, collaborate. Probably this will decrease this overloading of one person. And last thing, this is group chat activity. We saw during this week a lot of activity in personal messages, but people, by some reasons, I don't know, probably they worrying about some legal issue or another things. Don't worry about this. We are non-profit organization, and if you're working in parallel with your existing work, no illegal issue. You can volunteer and you can help for non-profit organization because you don't get money for this, and no worries about this. I don't know, probably another reason why the people hesitate a little bit to send message in group chat. Some of them sent, and thank you so much for this, and thank you for help each other who are trying to help and who trying to give this for everybody. I believe that this will help. Okay, next one, it's about our future plans. And first of all, we started in Asana 3 division. One of them is product development, and another it's a software development. Third one, this is a marketing or maybe traction of the clients. And we realized that because we are limited in terms of resources, we should to focus on close 3 months on some one division, make some progress in this division, and after that switch to another one and make this another division more better than to try to catch everything every time and don't succeed in each of this division. And it's the reason why we're trying to focus on close 3 months on the products. I mean, everything which related software development, QA engineering, mobile development will be top number one during these 3 months. Anyway, who will be able to help with marketing, with traction, with the product development. I mean, thinking about features, about our marketing strategy and other things. We have the task, and we have we open to move forward this, but existing resources we will try to put in these products, and to help products will be better during these 3 months. Especially for the next week, we're gonna implement in our IVR digitalization of profile. If you know, we have a we have a 10 or 20 fields about our in our profile that they describe a type of client which we gonna help and some specific, and we're gonna implement some kind of questionnaire for the everybody who calls to the phone, that it will be possible automatically gathering some specific of the client. Next, donation flow. It's very important for us to find resources, financial resources, and I believe that Lina will continue work on this and will develop this. And the last one, for sure, testing and check that everything works appropriately. And we don't have a quality assurance testing plan, but I believe that during next week we will have, that we quickly can handle this situation when we change something in one part of our application, and we will have a chance to quickly check this and maybe go through the regression testing and another flows that don't spend time of one person for all this testing which were before. In other words, we will improve our quality assurance process. And for sure, third one, this is a mobile application, and we had a chance to discuss these points about mobile application 1 week ago. I believe that this week we will more focus on database. Probably we have some progress. And just for context, we need a database for our internal mobile application, and we need database for our all products that to have some kind of API call, or maybe something that will be helpful to get information about clients, about services, about all other specifics which could help for all products. And this database, I believe that we will start this on the next week. Okay, and it looks like we are very close to finish our session, and many thanks for everyone who made it real. And you see nickname. I try to not share a lot of information that probably to keep privacy and security of the and I get it from the Slack. And thank you guys that you help during this week, and thank you everyone. And just for understanding, right now we have 75 volunteers around the world, and thank you everyone who trying to make it real and who help. And I believe that all together we will do it. And yeah, and I see that we have some questions right now in our chat. Oh no, we don't.
It's not questions. It's a little bit discuss about what to say.
Okay, and guys, if you have some suggestion, questions, or some thoughts, feel free to share right now them. If not, we probably finish our meeting, and let's work.
Hi, everyone. I just have a quick question. I think you said for the next 3 months, it means the product should be done. You have a deadline, right?
Yeah.
In 3 months, it should be done, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
We said about our first product is IVR. IVR should be done on the end of the summer. And it will be great if from September we started to work with IVR in full our power, and then we will to finish our mobile application. And of course, in parallel, we will do a lot of another activity such as marketing and other. But from September, we will spend all our power for marketing, for advertisement, for branding, because we want to spread information about us more and more. But we decided before, that right now we have to spend all our power for product, because if we want to share information with people in the world about us, we have to be sure that our product work great right now.
I see. Thank you. And mobile app is in development right now, or it is going to be?
I don't try. I'm not sure that it will be a little bit pushy. Probably
I mean,
Volodya will share a little bit more about
okay.
this.
No
I don't. Yeah. Anyway, it's in progress, and I'm sure that we will have some progress in it.
Sounds good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Vladimir, do you want to share some information?
Yeah, of course. So like, just only guys. So we got meeting last week, and regarding so I have a plan. Yeah, what you need to do. So like I implemented. I just only if it's possible, I can share my screen
Sure, sure. Let
with
me
you.
stop
Yeah.
sharing. Right now you can
All right. Share screen. Okay. So I hope you can see.
Nope.
Not yet. Just let me.
just a second. Right.
Alex, maybe you
Yes.
give an
Yeah.
access.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try
yeah.
try again. Yeah. Oh
I
yeah.
think,
You
yeah, you
see.
can see right now.
Mhm.
So guys, again, hi. So let me just only tell you what I did for beginning from last week. So I implemented function photo, which is really good for the clients. I implemented a little bit part of the sign in. And I finished almost sign up. I just want to show you, and you can give me some advice, and we can do it everything together. So like it was previously, yeah. So I changed logo because previously when I showed you last time it was old one, so I upgrade. Again, so like what I need from you guys, I need
Link for social pages.
for Twitter or Facebook and so on, so on, so on. Right
Okay.
now, so it still like works everything, but just only with my account. So like
Okay.
all of them, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. So like sign up function. Let's open. So everything implemented in Pixel 4a, which is currently have with me. So like on my phone right now, just on a second. I don't know what happened. You see, that's why I need testing. I don't know.
No problem.
Yeah, it's
Startup
possible.
culture.
Yeah. It's horrible, but it's okay. Gonna be work. Just a second.
Development staging.
Yeah. Okay, just one more time.
Oh, saving state. Cool.
We can do it magic.
You want to share?
Yeah. I will
once
share.
again.
Yeah. So right now, one more time. Start. Oh, so many programs is open. So right now it's gonna be works. Just a second. Let me check. Let me check. Why it doesn't work? Because a couple minutes ago I just only checked it before meeting. It works.
Volodya, no worries. You can share with your words, and we believe that. This
Okay.
work,
so like implemented a couple buttons which from the next and back. Then like I said, change logo, implemented function photo, so our clients can get opportunities to add he or her photo plus a background, so like which they prefer to do. Then also I add information about tracking, so like
great.
activities, they can add
cool.
Steps.
yeah, they can
Kilometers, mileage, right?
Yeah. Some activities what they did previously, and actually right now, just give me a second. I just want to change maybe emulator for another one.
I like this engineering stuff. Give me 1 second, and I will rebuild all applications and make this magic. The 2 or 3 minutes.
Yeah, because it's actually for a blah. It's gonna be work next. It's gonna be work. I know this.
Yeah.
It's so like I've seen a couple of weeks ago. So like when the Elon Musk presented his Cybertruck, so he got the same problem. So that.
Yeah.
Actually, it's still the same, you know. And oh, I will show you over there. So it's gonna be super simple, super easy, and you can see everything.
I see that there is some starting right now process.
Yeah. It's just only a part of the code. Like I said, here is it's implemented photos. They change background, blood pressure, glucose level, activities, right? But I just want to add, you know, what kind of activities: swimming, like walking,
Walking.
running, so
Yep,
so
running
on,
one.
so on.
Mhm.
It's gonna be worked. Then what like I said previous, the bottom I
button.
added also it's sign in the part of sign out, for example this one,
Mhm.
like I said before, here
Yeah.
is I add the bottom submit, so all the information which the client provided for us, city, email address, cell phone, everything, so they just only agree with us to provide this information. In a chance if you not agree or some mistakes like previous bottom, yes, so they can have chance to come back, or
Mhm.
if they finish, agree, and so on, and ready to upgrade on information, he just only or she just only add, click on the bottom, submit, and they will get, and we will get all the information. So currently, right now, I'm working with PHP server, which gonna be help us to implement our information in database, and I hope is everything gonna be work, but again, so need time.
Yeah.
I'll try.
Sure.
Volodya,
Oh yeah,
it's
you
awesome.
see?
Yeah, it's a great work.
So
Launch
they will,
succeed.
they will have chance to provide like previous bottom again, sign up, first name, last name, then
If you're sharing something, we see only your code.
you can see just on the code. Yeah,
Yeah.
1 second. Yeah. Sorry, just
You can reshare probably, and this will help.
yeah. New share. You can see right now. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I see.
Now
Yeah,
we see.
Wow.
again. So like
It's
sign
really
in.
working application, right?
Yeah. So like if, for example,
Cool.
if you
Very
wanna
nice.
add your photo, you can just only
Oh,
Nice,
sure.
nice.
it's empty. Right now we can do it photo. So like I'll show you how it works. Just second. Just second. Okay. Any photo. Just okay. Just blah, got it.
Great.
Okay, so it's done. And currently right now we open up our programs, sign in. For example, you want to change your photo. We have some photo here this week. Okay,
Oh,
just
great.
add this one. Okay.
Personalization. This is a key how to get
Yeah.
engagement of the people.
If you
Our
want to
clients.
change
Yeah.
your background, same, go to gallery. You know, I just want to
Yeah.
Yeah.
simple one. And again, but it is square because photo
Yeah,
was square.
sure,
So like,
no worries. Okay,
yeah. So like,
Vladimir, it looks great.
yeah.
For
So
me, it's
the-
rocket science.
So again, so like first name, second name, birthday, country, city, male, female, like it was previously one.
Mhm.
Male. So like I said, if client agree, click agree. Wanna submit. If something when actually click on submit. So again, main menu and just only click sign in, and they will have chance to sign in. That's it.
Great.
Yeah, and
Great.
it works like this. Previous bottom also works. Like we didn't have last time, we just only used this bottom on the phone. But currently, right now, so like anytime our clients can. And again, so like if you notice, right now the bottom not on the same level. You see, right now it's on the bottom. I
Mhm.
just want to make it so like it's gonna be easy for our clients. Like,
Yeah.
don't push the finger up or down. So like it's gonna be all the like in the presentation, everything on the same level, which will be
Mhm.
perfect for our client. So like
It's
use
incredible.
everything.
Yeah.
Volodya,
Yeah,
it's
yeah, so like,
incredible. And
yeah, so just only do it like this, and that's it. So all the button works, and I need just only pages from Instagram and like I said, all the
Yeah.
social networks.
Yeah,
Okay.
I will create it and I will provide this information. And I have
Yeah,
only
yeah.
one question, Vladimir. Do you have some issue with which we can have to help you, or we just don't need to push you and take a time?
Oh, actually, currently, right now, so right now, I work. You can see right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we see a
Swamp
screen.
server, yeah, it's PHP, which has to connect it with MySQL, because currently right now, so like I have little bit trouble over there, but I think so like I'll find some solutions and gonna be everything work, because currently right now, so like it's take time and
Okay, everyone who will see this a little bit later, or maybe right now, please ping Volodya personally. Volodya, I'm sure that we can discuss this out of this meeting with you. Probably I will share my thoughts on this, and probably this will be helpful. Anyway, guys, if you know something about this PHP server stuff, please feel free to share in group chat, or maybe personal in Slack to Volodya, or maybe you can put some comments in Asana task, whatever works, which works for you. And Dalia, you want some kind of information about how this works, and I have an idea. Probably we can record out of this meeting some guidelines session, and I will share what the process, how we can work with the task, and we will put this video to our YouTube channel, internal YouTube channel, and this will be our like foundation of to maybe our small school for everyone who wants to help for development side, for the QA engineering stuff, maybe product marketing, whatever which will be helpful for our products.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Right now, I have a suggestion, because we are limited in terms of time, and I'm going to finish our record, and probably if we have a little bit more questions, we discuss it, or if not, we will finish our meeting right now. Okay?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Once again, thank you, everyone. Thank you
Yeah,
for
guys,
your effort.
thank you for
Okay,
your
thank you.
efforts, for your time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we share my